Welcome, everyone. I'm so glad you could join me today as we dive into the fascinating world of English grammar, specifically focusing on the present perfect tense. Understanding this tense can truly enhance your communication skills and help you express yourself more clearly and effectively. So what exactly is the present perfect tense? In simple terms, it connects the past with the present. We use it to talk about actions or experiences that have occurred at some point in our lives, but are still relevant or important now. For example, when you say, "I have visited Paris," it implies that this experience has an impact on your current perspective or conversation. One of the key structures of the present perfect tense is the combination of have or has with the past participle of the verb. For instance, "I have eaten," or "she has finished her homework." This structure allows us to convey a sense of completion while still linking it to the present moment. Now let's explore some common uses of the present perfect tense. First, we often use it to describe life experiences. Think about it. When you share your adventures or milestones, you're likely to say, "I have traveled to many countries," or "I have learned a lot this year." These statements not only share your experiences, but also invite others to engage in conversation about them. Another important use is to express actions that started in the past and continue into the present. For example, "I have lived here for 5 years." This shows that your experience of living in that place is ongoing, creating a connection between your past and your current situation. Additionally, we use the present perfect tense to talk about recent events that have an effect on the present. For instance, they have just announced the results. This indicates that the announcement is fresh and relevant to the current moment. As we wrap up, remember that mastering the present perfect tense can significantly improve your English fluency. It allows you to share your experiences, express ongoing actions, and discuss recent events with clarity and confidence. Please visit my website, where I have lots of information on my private one-to-one English lessons. They are incredibly affordable, and I cover all areas of the language. My courses include speaking and pronunciation practice, business lessons, exams for university and jobs, grammar, specific vocabulary, and general English. I cover every aspect of the language. Also, please visit my YouTube channel again, as I'm going to post many helpful short videos to help you get a grasp of the English language. So please subscribe. It costs nothing and you'll get lots of useful information.